Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to share with you, the Billionaire Bioscience Code that promises to reveal the mysterious wealth secrets of none other than Genghis Khan himself. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Imagine uncovering the financial prowess of one of the greatest conquerors in history. Well, with the Billionaire Bioscience Code, we just might be able to do that. This revolutionary product claims to decipher the genetic blueprint of wealth, and today we'll explore how it supposedly unveils Genghis Khan's wealth secret. The Billionaire Bioscience Code is truly a groundbreaking tool that combines advanced genetic analysis with historical data to unravel the secrets of wealth generation. Genghis Khan's success wasn't just about conquest. It involved strategic thinking, leadership qualities, and economic acumen. Our analysis looks into the genetic factors that may have contributed to these traits. If you want to know more about this wealth magnet, I'll provide the link in description.